Want a funnel that sells on autopilot 24/7? GoHighLevel makes it easy to build an evergreen funnel. Here is how. Start with a lead magnet. Create a landing page offering a free resource, a guide, checklist, or a mini course to capture emails and phone numbers. Set up a workflow that sends emails and SMS sequences automatically. Nurture your leads and guide them towards your main offer. As your core offer, include your main product or service on a sales page connected directly to your funnel. Use one-click upsells to maximize revenue. Check your analytics regularly. See where leads drop off, tweak copy or timing, and watch your funnel convert continuously. That's how you build an evergreen funnel in GoHighLevel. Fully automated, continuously converting, and growing your business while you sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.